Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your October love and work forecast for Virgos. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Virgo, this reading is for you. If you know a Virgo, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Friends, join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwindstarot.com. Friends, also, if you want to buy your own 2022 reading or any other reading, 6 monthly, next 3 months readings, 3-year readings, you can visit our website to book them, friends. Also, you can watch the pick a card reading for the year 2022. I have already done a few, and for the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings, check the timestamps, friends. Yes, and this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So let us see what is the theme of the month of October for Virgos. Wow, Virgos, you are definitely, this is an emotional month for you, the King of Cups. Yeah, this is an emotional month. You are feeling emotionally rich, this emotional, very, romantic also. Theme of the month of October for, wow, the Tower. Ooh, so this is a breakthrough month for you. I don't know what's breaking. Oh my God. Virgo, alert, SOS, something is, a breakthrough is coming. This is a month of sudden changes, sudden inspiration, sudden spiritual awakening, and emotional release, emotionally a new you is coming. Let's clarify what this tower is about. My God, I'm scared now. But I feel it's all romantic because, this has the King of Cups with it. So, yeah, yes, exactly. See, yes. Thank you for confirming. I got very excited. Yes, look at that. A new romance is coming for you, Virgos. Yes, a new romance, the romantic relationships, a deep harmony within you and your own self is also coming. I do see if you are single, you can expect a brand new relationship coming into your life. Also, if you are in a relationship, you can expect some things to shift and transform your relationship. I see a deep emotional awakening is happening. You are meeting your twin flame, your soulmate, and it will be quite by chance. It will be quite by surprise. This month will shock you, surprise you, and also fill you with love and joy, Virgos. Oh my God, OMG. This is a very emotional month for you, friends. Breakthroughs are expected. You can expect changes. Also, I feel suddenly, if you were holding your love back, like you were in love with somebody, but you were not telling them, you are going to say that, because this is a month you just can't keep your emotions inside. You just have to say them, because if somebody loves you and they were hiding it, they're gonna say it to you. Also, friends, you will find more balance between your inner, what do you say, between your heart and your mind, your body and your soul. So it's a great month for you, Virgos. Oh my God, look at that, the Six of Cups, romance. Yes, absolutely, somebody from your past life or from your past is coming back. I also see some of you, if somebody is not coming from the past, you will be resolving these past issues. You will be setting yourself free from the past and moving ahead, finding a new soulmate. Like if you had a broken marriage, you will be ready for a new lover or finding that new lover, that new soulmate this month. So way to go, Virgos. For others of you, I do see somebody from the past you had a tower moment with coming back into your life and things falling into place. This person is your soulmate. They are your twin flame. For this month, they are definitely important. This is a very romantic month, friends. Friendships, past lovers, relationships, friendships of even colleagues, like everyone is important to you. Relationships of all kinds are important, and yes, you can expect sudden changes in your life. Yes. I think some of you are not expecting love to be important or come into your life, but love is coming. Yes, so get ready. And yes, the lover that's coming is somebody from your past life. If it is not a lover, it is something like a business deal or an agreement, or a business partnership is coming, or a job opportunity is coming for you, which is from your past life. It is a reward from the past life, so accept it. It will come out of the blue, friends. So get ready, Virgos. Let us see how your love life will be for Virgos in October. Okay, the Six of Swords, the Knight of Cups, the Nine of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. How the first week will be for Virgos. The Queen of Pentacles, ooh, the Death. The second week, Karma. Yeah, see, this is, that's what I was telling you. It's a very karmic energy for you. Something very past lifey, something, you know, Three of Cups. Yes, somebody, your past relationships are going through, you know, karmic shifts. A lot of karma is clear. New people are coming in, old people are coming back in. So a lot is happening for you, Virgos. Justice, again, karma card, friends. Again, Five of Cups. You're missing somebody, friends. You are missing, someone is missing you. Let me just shuffle and then we talk, okay? Oh god, Ten of Cups. All right. So I do feel, friends, that in the first week of October, yes, your love life, you're moving out of challenges, your love life is moving forward. I do see that you will be more ready to love or fall in love or even heal your relationships in some way. I think in September your focus was not on love, it was more on work, on healing yourself. So by the start of October, you feel ready to fall in love again. Transformation, you are going through big changes, Virgos. It is your personality, emotionally, mentally, physically is transforming. Your relationships are changing also. You may expect your person also to be changed, you know, if your husband, wife, your soulmate, your twin flame, your ex-partner, they are also going through big changes, so as you are going through big changes. Queen of Pentacles, yes, you know, a new you is rising in the first week of October. You will feel I do see that, you know, your person will try to message you in the first week of October. It could be somebody new or somebody from the past is trying to message you. But you know, someone is trying to get you back in their life, but you know, it is like, hey, hi. It's not like I want you back. The message is more like, hey, how are you? They will try to just casually message you, just like, hey, how are you? Or if there is a festival, like, you know, or it's your birthday, or they are at your work, they are like, hi. You know, someone is trying to be casually coming back into your life. I don't know if you want them or not, but they are trying to come back. They could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. In the second week of October, my god, the energies are highly karmic. Wow. I do see that if there were third parties in your relationship, Virgos, that will be resolved. The karma for the third parties is being resolved. So definitely past karmic issues are healing. Past blocks in your relationships are healing in the second week of October. Nine of Cups, yes, I do see a celebration will be happening. Some of you could be meeting your lover, or your lover could be taking you out on a date. I also feel that if you are single, you will find that a friend is in love with you, or you know, you also like them. So there is a crush energy here. A lot of things happening, happy things happening in the second week. But also, if your love life is affected, Virgos, by third party, you can expect that to heal. Past blocks will heal, karmic issues will heal. Ace of Pentacles, a powerful new start is coming in your life, in your love life. You know, you are clearing and setting bye-bye to everything that was karmic, and this is like a fresh new start in your love life. A fresh new karmic cycle is starting for your relationships. Let's see the third week, Virgos. My god, you are very, very powerful in the third week, Virgos. Your love life is picking up pace, and yes, your love life is also getting balanced. You are getting balanced. Your person want to invest in you, give you more time, give you more love. I do feel you are missing somebody from the past in the third week of October. You are definitely crying over the past. You're missing somebody, like you want somebody, you are longing, or your person is longing. Like, it may also be happening like in the second week you may decide like, hey, I don't want to be with you, I want to move on. And then in the third week your person is like, hey, I can't live without you, so please come back. So someone is crying over you, or you are crying about somebody and missing somebody. I do feel that you know, if you are going through any legal issues, you will find justice in this third week. A legal victory is expected to come your way, Virgos, in this third week of October. I do see that some Some of you may also feel a distance between you and your lover, and it could be like, societal distance, or religion, culture could be the reason of distance between you and them, or family. But you know you can bridge this gap, you can bridge this, you can overcome this. I do feel that, yeah, Wheel of Fortune, things are going to go in your favor. This distance won't always last. Things are going to come back in favor for your love life. The Sun, I do feel you are dealing with your twin flame this month, friends, because there is so much of energy, so much is happening. Some of you may already be in a relationship, but you could be moving towards your twin flame, or leaving a relationship, moving with your twin flame, or you are with your twin flame but you are trying to work things out with them. This is like the third week is a major week for you. Let's see the fourth week. The fourth week, yes, finally love is becoming more clear. There is more love and there is more harmony. Yes, your love life is coming back into balance, and you are both very excited, you and your partner very excited. A breakthrough is hand. I do see clarity will be there. Communications will be very clear in the final week of October. You and your person, your partner, will be on the same page. Yes, you will be free from anxiety, free from tension, free from the past blocks. And your person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Or they could be a Virgo, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, just like you. So my God, the third week is very important. Watch that out, Virgos. Let us see some advice for you for the month of October for your love life, then your work and career. Advice for Virgos. Oh wow, awareness, the Magician. So and look at that, partnerships and alliances and patience and planning. Yeah, you are shifting, your awareness is shifting. So I think like some of you, you may not have thought that the past person or the person who is coming in your life next is the twin flame, but you will suddenly discover something about your partnerships in the month of October. Your persona is changing, your awareness, your thinking is shifting. So expect the unexpected within yourself and in your relationships. Patience and planning. Virgos, be patient with your love life because things are happening. Destiny is taking control of your love life. So be patient and plan what you really want to do, because if you want to, like, if you want to go back or if you want to be with a past person, you will have to really plan it well, because certain ups and downs may happen, right? Partnerships and alliances, yes, you have to find ways to heal. You have to find ways to go back to love. I keep getting that song, Going Back to Love. I don't know whose song is it. It's an English song. Going back to love, going back to love. I keep going back to love to you. So love is very important to you, and you want to heal the rifts. You want love. This is Two of Cups. You want that, and for that you have to be patient. For that you have to listen to your intuition. For that you have to manifest also. So get ready, Virgos, lots of work for you. Let's see your work and career in the month of October, Virgos. Fertility, okay. Spiritual strength, firm foundation, Four of Wands, choose wisely, and the Crown Chakra. Yes, I do feel this month is very important for your work life also. You have certain decisions, Virgos, right now. Some of you are not feeling happy where you are. Some of you will be like, what is next? Like, like, okay, I'm doing my work, but what is next for me? If you are a student, you definitely have some choices, like which college you choose, which exams to give next, should you change your career. So you have certain options and decisions in the month of October, but you should not get obsessed or worry about them too much, because your intuition is guiding you. You will have guidance, you will have clear messages. Your intuition, your divine signs and messages will be guiding you which is the right path to take in your career. So you must follow it. Another thing, whatever path you choose, Virgos, you will be very, very hardworking. You will give your best in that work, in that career, in that profession. So you will be working very hard to bring your new ideas to success. You will be very passionate and also emotionally very connected with your work. One thing I would suggest you is not to get too carried away. Like, you may feel a little obsessed about your work, Virgos, this month. Like, like if there is a deadline, you will be worrying, will I be able to complete my project, will I be able to finish it on time, will I be the best or not? Don't over analyze, don't overthink, because you don't think your decisions, just listen to your intuition and try and follow it. I know it's tough, Virgos, but you have to do it, otherwise it can lead to anxiety. I also feel you may not be sleeping too well in the month of October, because your mind is like, I need to do this. You're excited about your work and the firm foundation. Yes, I do see that some of you could be laying roots in your work, like you are joining a workplace which is wonderful, or you are finding, like, a business alliance, a business proposition which is perfect for you. Some of you may start working from home again, or you may start like you may, I don't know why, but it may be like someone is pregnant in the family, so you have to, like, your wife is pregnant, so you're working from home just to help her or be there for her, look after her, or you might yourself be pregnant, so you start working from home. So I do see working from home very prominently for all of you. And I also see that some of you, businesses or a new job, or you know getting more settled in your job, getting more successful in your current job is gonna happen for you, Virgos. So don't worry. Let's see some advice, Virgos. Oh wow, cut the cards and holy love, my god. So definitely there are there are certain influences in your life which are not helping you to move ahead, which are not helping you to bring this new love, this new success in your life, Virgos. Karmic cords, karmic issues, you have to let it go so that a holy love can manifest in your life. This is beautiful, Virgos. Your month is very powerful. Something very magical is happening for you. It's destined love. It is the destined relationship. So let the past go, forgive, and let the love come in for you. And yes, enjoy the good times, joy and contentment. So enjoy the good times, Virgos. They are destined for you. Be happy and you will attract more love in your life. And what else will happen for Virgos? See, October is important. Wow. Any more cards? Yes. All right. Let's see, Virgos. October. So somebody born in October or the month of October, as we have seen, is important for you. Candle, you will be shown the way. Yes, this is the month you will be guided. So don't worry. Light-hearted, carefree time. Yes, enjoy. Some good moments, some celebrations are gonna come your way, Virgos. Cat, two-faced friends. Yeah, there are people whom you cannot trust, and you will have to let them go, friends. Virgos, there are people, friends, family, or someone who is not trustworthy. You have to let them go. You will be playing a different role hat. Yes, things are gonna shift for you by the time October ends, or maybe possibly November. Things will be very, very different and beautifully different for you, Virgos. Cracked cup. Dissatisfaction. Something is missing in life. Maybe you are missing this twin flame or this soulmate. They are coming. They are coming. Clouds, temporary problems. Your problems are temporary. Nothing to worry. New home, new attitudes. Ooh, so you are, a new you is coming. A new home is also coming. Some of you may be even changing your looks, changing your home, changing your house, or, getting it painted or something. So you are like moving into your own house also. Crown, honor and respect will come to you, Virgos. Yes. Finger, warning you of a problem either now or in the near future. Yeah, someone may pick a finger at you, like, point a finger like, hey, you're not doing things well. I feel when a new lover or this destined holy love is coming in your life, friends, there will be people and friends or family who will not be happy with it. When love is there, people generally are not happy. So be careful of that. Elephant, a long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. So you are reaching the end of a long, hard journey, and the reward is true love, true union, mind, body, and soul. And dog, protection from a very, very powerful friend. You have some very, very powerful friends. I do see your spirit guides, your spirit family is very, very close to you this month, Virgos. This is a very, very powerful Virgo reading. I haven't seen such a reading in a long, long time. So make sure to subscribe and like Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.